Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Ntando Zondi to portray the character of Temba, who is Njengaye and Nomfundo's 16-year-old love child who has always been kept away from the rest of the family. Nomfundo went missing after the boat crashed, and the truth about Njengaye's mysterious son is revealed. We will be introduced to Temba in the light of a family crisis when a family member brings him to the Dlamini home and reveals his identity as Njengaye and Nomfundo's love child. He is then welcomed into the family, and from that moment, Temba fights for validation and approval at the expense of his own mental and emotional well-being. So thank you for watching.